Welcome to DIY for Homeowners.
We're mother-daughter projects.
I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And today we're going to test out this product called Wet and Forget Shower. And we actually tried out some Wet and Forget products a little while ago, maybe a year or two ago. Some outdoor products. I was really impressed with them. And when I saw they had a shower version, I was super impressed because I gotta admit, I don't clean my shower very much because it doesn't get clean when you shower in it. But that's the whole thing about this product is this, you spray this on and as you shower, it cleans it, which was like super impressive to me. So I was excited to try this out and that's what we're gonna show you here today.
Warning, we're gonna show you some really gross footage. This is proof that Steph's shower really was a mess. She's been using this product for about a year now. We're gonna show you how the shower looks now.
This is my shower before we tried the Wet and Forget. There on the right is the open door to my shower and you can barely see through it. And yeah, that's the floor. It's not looking great. This is the Wet and Forget shower cleaner. It comes with a sprayer that is simple to attach. You remove the sticker, open the flap cap, pull out the hose that is coiled inside the sprayer, then insert the hose tip into the container. And now it's ready to use. The idea here is after you take a shower, you spray down everything. Just like this. You spray it on all fixtures, shower curtains, enclosures, shower glass, tiles, and tubs. No scrubbing or wiping required. It cleans as you shower. Here's the before of a corner in my shower, and this is the after just a few weeks after using the product. Here's another really dirty corner of my shower that I sprayed down and sprayed the handle as well. And this is the after shot. There's still a little mold on the ground, but most of this is very much improved. And wow, this section looks pretty bad. This is the ledge where I keep my shampoo and stuff like that. And here it is after using Wet and Forget cleaner. Much improved.
What we learned. This product has done a really great job in preventing future soap scum buildup as well as mold and mildew, but there are a couple of areas that has some persistent mold and mildew that really needs a little more care. And actually, Wet and Forget makes a product for that, so we're going to be trying that in the future and see if we can get that under control.
This is not a harsh chemical like bleach or ammonia, but it is a chemical, so I do like to wear a mask when I'm using it, and I really just keep this mask attached right here so it's ready to go whenever I use the product.
When the shower is cleaned, it became very apparent that we needed to do some work on the caulking. The caulking has started to age and get brittle, and it's just basically a mess. So we're going to be doing some caulking in the future. We're going to remove that and put in some new caulking, so look for that in a future video.
The whole idea of this product is you spray it on and the water from your shower will just kind of clean it as you shower throughout the week. Well, I noticed that some places in my shower weren't actually getting hit by the water, so they weren't getting fully clean. So at the beginning I was just using a cup, putting water in it, just kind of clean the walls of it. Then I realized I could change my shower head to one that has a removable head so I could really clean the shower super easy when I'm in there. And that's what I did. So you'll notice before footage we had a different shower head than the after footage, but that has worked really well. And it's also, if I want to wash my dog Mac in the shower, I now have that removable shower head, so that's pretty nice. Like we said, we made some videos before using Wet and Forget. Well, the company Wet and Forget actually contacted us and said, hey, we'd love to do a giveaway for your followers. So we're excited. We had this video kind of ready to go, and so we're excited to announce that we are going to give away 10 bottles of the Wet and Forget shower. All you need to do is go to the link below, fill it out, and we will pick 10 winners in 2 weeks.
In 2 weeks.
Yes, so good luck with that, and thanks for joining us.
Bye.
Bye. And what were you gonna say?
I don't know.
Were you gonna tell
You
us?
said all the words.
I did say all the words. What else? You were gonna say something. If you like this video, you probably want to check out our other Wet and Forget videos. You can check out the first one we ever made, part 1, right here.
Or you can click this one right here.
Which is part 2.
Which is part 2.
Yes.
Part 2.
Did they click?
Do you think they clicked?
How would we know? Just keep smiling.
Oh, okay, so he's fine.
Did they click?
Yeah, they might have just gone on to the giveaway. And just
Oh, that would be good.
Yeah,
Did they
that's
click
okay,
on the
we can do
giveaway?
that too, but
Do you think?
yeah, I don't
Did they
know.
click? How would we know?
I don't know.